candidate of president?
No, now that will be once the returning officer is appointed, that time this process will start. And that will be done, as I said, that will be done hopefully within a week this meeting will be called and the returning officer will be appointed. So once returning officer gives his consent and is appointed, then the whole process goes in his hands. It doesn't remain anymore in our hands. Then he is the person who will conduct the elections. All nominations, the electoral list, everything will be prepared and given to him. Then it is his custody.
So what are you thinking of contesting again?
Sorry?
Are you thinking of contesting again?
Let the election process start, then we will see. As of now, no.
How many clubs?
Today's count was over 100. Count are?
No.
140. I'll give you the count. Count at total, final count at.
Churchill made an allegation yesterday that when the AIFF sent the thing for the under-17 team and the selectors came, the boys were not ready. What is your statement?
See, that's why I said general body is supreme. This has been discussed, not this meeting. Of course, I did discuss it today. It came up at the last general body meeting and the meeting before that also. Now, let me make it very clear what I have told the members, and the members are aware of this. First time, when the under-17 squad was selected by the AIFF selection committee or whosoever was the selector, till that time there was no trial held in Goa. Nobody had even come to Goa to hold a trial. And when we pointed this out, the whole issue opened up. And how we pointed it out, we were not aware. I have told the clubs, some people on private lines scouted for 2 to 3 boys. They were called, they were tried, and they were dropped. When they were dropped, the issue reached the Goa Football Association. The parents questioned how our children have been dropped. And that is when we raised the issue and brought it up before the AIFF. And some of the media people reported that. Though accusations were made against us, none of the accusations have stood before the general body of not only today, even last year.
See, one general accusation was, and even I was one of them to believe, was that there was an apathy by GIP towards AIFF at that time.
How?
Because Savio Messias was brought in.
Not at all.
No, wait, let me finish. And then I realized at some stage, much after that Savio Messias was never brought in by AIFF, but used by Sandeep Jagis to trigger you. Now, did this confusion affect the...
I'm hearing it, Mr. Augusto, first time ever.
Even I was surprised when I heard it.
Then see, it's not me who is the loser, it's
So it
the
was
state
Goa who lost.
which is the loser. So who should be condemned? You should decide on that. If somebody has done it behind our backs, behind the association's back, and I made it very clear in my address also today, the powers that be, the people who hold authority, the people who think they are very big in this society, have never come to help Goa to question somebody else why Goa under-17 player was not even taken on trial. I am not suggesting that they should have been selected. I have never said that. I have maintained it is a selector's job to select or not, because he is from Goa or Bihar or Jharkhand, or that is immaterial for the Indian national team. But without even conducting a trial, selecting a squad and sending them for Germany is an insult to the state of Goa, which the government should have taken cognizance of. या गव्हर्नमेंट या सरकारान तांकां हे खबर सुद्दां नासता आनी तांकां दिसता आनी कोणाचो इगो म्हणून. ऑल फॅसिलिटीज आर यूज्ड by of the Goa state, of the taxpayers' money of Goa, nobody else. This has to be borne in mind. Amendments. Half the time went in amendments. There were a lot of suggestions which have been noted and some overruled.
How many amendments were there?
There are quite a number of amendments. If you want, I can give it to you afterwards on your, if you want.
It is included here?
No. It is a separate. I'll give you a copy if you want.
And now this is your 4th year, your term is over. What are your last words after your term is over as president of GIP?
last
In
words,
short,
last
your
words
last
I have
few
already
words.
said to the general body.
To us, you say to us. No?
I think to the best of my ability I have done what could have been done, what was sought to be done, but everything you wish for could not be achieved. You have to try your level best. I have also given a very clear message to the general body that due to, it's my personal experience, that they have to think whom they should vote and send here. It is not by any consideration of a regional factor or any incentives or anything like that. It should be, so long as they don't do that, problems can always remain. So you have to have a positive approach. Whoever comes has to have a positive approach. If you start finding faults, then your game gets over there itself. Because if fault finding is done without giving a positive suggestion how to overcome that, I think great injustice will be done to the association. So if you think there is a fault, you should also suggest that this is the way out, or suggest a way out.
What are the things that you could have done and could not do?
There are several things. One of the main aim was to see that all the grounds are freed for use. Because this is done in public interest. 1,000 matches are done in public interest. If there are no leagues, the children, what is the incentive for them? Who will scout them? Who will select them? How will they come on the state stage? How they will come on the national stage? Now if Lusogonia games can be given free, all the facilities, if national games can be given free, all the facilities, why is it that domestic leagues are not given free facilities? These are the fields which are used by the villagers as fields. You came one fine day and said you are doing development, and now after doing some development you are keeping it closed. What is the use? Finally, when taxpayers' money is put on this, these facilities should be available free. If you want to ask for Tilak ground, it looks like Fatehgad Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium is now exclusively reserved only for ISL. What is this?
But what was the block?
Block is money.
No, block. You as president, what was the block between you and the government? Why?
There is no
could not they
block.
listen to you?
We believe in systems. I believe in
Like-
systems. I don't want that it should be depending on individual.
Your president.
Whoever comes and sees. The problem with us is we have not understood what is the meaning of establishing a system. It is not person-centric. Nothing should be person-centric. People will come and people will go. History may forget them. What is important is